Alright, Zoomers, this is a tutorial video for 7th grade science. 7th grade science, before we got school canceled, we were doing phase change, and we are stopping phase change at the moment. We may come back to it later in the year. But right now, everyone in 7th grade will be starting to do populations and resources. So this video is a tutorial video to help you go through the Canvas course, which will tell you what to do and what activities to complete in Amplify and how to complete them in Amplify. So there will be in your Canvas course a module called Populations and Resources Chapter 1. And then when we're done with Chapter 1, there'll be a module that says Populations and Resources Chapter 2. We're breaking them into chapters because, as you can see, Chapter 1, just for 2 lessons, has a lot of links. So if we did all of the chapters in one module, by the time we got to Chapter 3, we'd have to scroll through 100 plus links. So Chapter 1 for now. So when you open it, you'll see the first thing is unit resources. The unit resources are not activities, they're not assignments, they are resources for you to refer to when you're in the unit. So the first resource is the tutorial video. So this you will open and you'll watch this video. It's not in there right now because I'm recording it at the moment, but you would watch this video and it's going to tell you how to proceed through the course. So the next one is unit questions. So if we were in our class, you might see in the class, and that's 8th grade, so you might see in the class unit question on the wall, Chapter 1 question. And so we don't have those questions on the wall because we're not in class. So they are in a slideshow, and that's what this is. If we ever refer to them in a video, you'll see me go to the slideshow. If you wanted to go back and look what the questions are, you'd go here. Those of you who would like a Spanish version of the student notebook, you can click on this and all the Amplify activities will be in Spanish. And then this last one you won't see. That's for teachers only. So you go through, here's your unit resources. These will show up in each chapter module. And then what you would do after you watch this video is you'd start your lessons. You'll have 2 Amplify lessons per week. So the first week is 1.2 and 1.3. So to do 1.2, PR is populations and resources. To do 1.2, you just go through each of these in order. Do not go out of order, go in order. They are designed for you to just do this and then go to the next one and then the next one. So the first thing you'll do is you'll look at your learning intentions and your success criteria. So these are the things you'll be learning in this lesson, and these are the things you'll be doing to learn that. So once you read this, press next and you'll go to the next activity. So PR lesson 1.2 activity 1 says go to Amplify populations and resources, activity 1, and complete the warm-up. So as you're probably familiar with, most activity 1s are warm-up. So do the warm-up, press hand in when you're done. So you'll go here, it'll tell you to go to Amplify. You'll go to Amplify, do it, press hand in, come back, and then press next. Don't proceed into Amplify and just start doing all the Amplify. You need to come back here because the next thing that we'll do is we'll watch a video of the unit phenomenon. If you were to be in Amplify, which for some reason I cannot find, and I'm not prepared for this right now, but that's all right. So this is just like real class where I didn't have it up in the beginning and now you have to wait for me to have it up. All right, here's so in class, this right here, you would not have on your Amplify. So you need to make sure that you go like this, you do the warm-up, and then you come back and you press next and see what's next. Don't just start going through the lessons in Amplify. This video is going to set up the whole unit. After you're done watching the video, you press next again. Again, you don't want to just go to activity 2 in Amplify because it's not going to do you any good. Watch this video and that's all you need to do. If it wanted you to do more, it will tell you in the video. Okay, so in the video, it's going to tell you to do this. So when it tells you to do it in the video, you go back and then you do it. And then when you're done, you just follow along. The video will say pause here, go back to Amplify. So just follow along. When you're done, go to activity 3. Read the instructions. It says watch the video and follow along with instructions. Make sure you pause the video and complete the activity as instructed. All right, press hand in when done. So you'll be doing that Amplify. When you don't Amplify, you'll come back here, you'll press next. So that's it. So you're going to do this one by one. So start here, 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 and just go down. When you're done with this, keep going. So you'll be going back and forth between Canvas and Amplify. The Canvas is there to give you instructions. I have instructional videos. I have instructions written in there. They're not the instructions that would be in Amplify. It's as if I was teaching class. So make sure you go from one activity to the next to complete everything. So you have 2 lessons to do in the first week, 2 lessons in the next week, etc. And please email your teacher if you have any questions.